Morning, y'all, and welcome back to Willow May Ranch. Today I'm going to take you on the tour because feeding all the animals is a job in itself, but it's one that I would not trade for anything in the world. First, let's get the blue lace chickens out of the way. Here's my baby Witties. They're doing so good. And boy, was they hungry this morning. Everyone wanted to knock me over. They're just now starting to lose their winter coat, and we've been deworming these lovely ladies and getting everyone vaccinated on their shots to get them ready to go for springtime. Give me a like, give me a follow. I'll see y'all next time.